Yes, if you don't mind paying a premium for a smartwatch and want a slightly more stylish design, the Amazfit GTS 4 scores on style, design, and package. The watch also has several smart features. AMOLED display. The Amazfit GTS 4 AMOLED Display Smartwatch features an aluminum frame. It sports a 1.75 inches HD AMOLED display with always-on display, a screen resolution of 390,450 pixels, and over 150 watch faces. Easy 24/7 health monitoring. The Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch debuts the new BioTracker 4.0 ppg biometric sensor. You can enjoy more accurate 24-hour monitoring. Morning updates. Morning update function can prepare users for the day by summarizing information like the weather, calendar events, and more. Sleep quality monitoring. Amazfit GTS 4 provides in-depth monitoring of sleep quality and daytime naps, light, deep and REM sleep stages, and sleep breathing quality. 4 health metrics in one top. Accurate BioTracker 4.0, health data sensor, 24H heart rate, SPO₂ and stress monitoring test. 4 health metrics in one tap track sleep quality and daytime naps. Strength exercise recognition. The Amazfit GTS 4 can even automatically recognize 15 strength training exercises at launch, along with 8 sports movement, 155 plus sports modes. To deliver on the promise of smart fitness made easy, users can enjoy over 150 sports modes, including many walking, running, cycling, and swimming modes. Live sports data broadcast. Get live notifications broadcast through the watch's speaker or your Bluetooth headphones for sports, music storage, and playback. Play local music. The watch supports direct music playback, and, under Bluetooth connections, it can play music with a Bluetooth headset or stereo. Dual-band GPS positioning. The Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch uses industry-first dual-band circularly polarized GPS antenna technology for stronger positioning that's 99% as accurate as top handheld GPS locators. Route import and real-time navigation. Download the route file to your phone, and then send it to a chat app. A built-in GPS is also included with the GTS 4 for real-time tracking and navigation. Muscle recognition. Track your sets, reps, muscle groups, and rest time with Zepp's new GTS 4 wearable. Peak Beats track VO2 max and more. Peak Beats workout status algorithm. The watch is equipped with a new self-developed motion algorithm, which assesses specialized data such as maximum oxygen. Alexa built-in. Alexa, add a pair of gym gloves to my shopping list. Amazfit GTS 4 smartwatch with Alexa built-in. 15 days battery life, 5 satellite positioning systems, 5 ATM water resistance. Bluetooth phone calls. The Amazfit GTS 4 includes a microphone and speaker to let you answer calls on your watch when it's inconvenient to pick up your mobile phone. Connect the watch to your mobile phone via Bluetooth to ensure that you no longer miss important calls.